Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby and I'm so glad you guys are here. Today is a particularly very exciting video for me because if you guys have been following me for a while, I love the outdoors, but when I'm in Hawaii, girls, I'm out every single day and just loving it. And so outdoor wear is definitely my thing. I've actually been reached out by many companies to do outdoor and active wear, and I have turned most of them down because I'm not really a fan of their aesthetic. However, Beneunder reached out to me and asked me to review their outdoor wear. And when I looked on their website, guys, I like it because it's very classy, it's put together, it's not very like revealing and super, I don't know, over the top. When you go look on their website, you're definitely going to see what I mean. But today I'm going to do a video of an unboxing of 5 Beneunder pieces ranging from pants to jackets to hats to sunglasses, and I'm super stoked about it. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. This is my first impressions, and also I'll do a try on. But guys, I have a feeling that I'm really gonna like this company. So thank you, Beneunder, for sending me these pieces, and I'm gonna open a few pieces and then tell you guys about the company as well, but I'm sure you want to get into the video. So I actually have 5 pieces here. I was very excited. So I was going to the zoo for a field trip and I wanted to take some of the pieces, but I did not because I wanted to share it new for you guys. And so this is one that I partially opened and I was so excited to wear to the zoo, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait for you guys. So Beneunder is actually part of the Skin Cancer Foundation. And so basically a lot of their stuff is like sun protectant and protecting your eyes, protecting your skin. So I really like that. This first one is sunglasses, and I believe they're based out of Hong Kong. Shipping's very quick, and they also have free shipping all over the world and no taxes all over the world. Prices are really good. So I believe these are sunglasses. Yeah, they are sunglasses, excuse me. I believe these are only $75, guys, and I'm so excited because they're so unique. They are actually foldable sunglasses that you can take with you. And I believe this little strap back here can go on, like on your bag and on your arm if you wanted, like the case, like that. Really like that a lot. And then let's just show you the sunglasses because I've never owned a pair of foldable sunglasses. And I also have a problem with my nose bridge being super like flat, so a lot of sunglasses don't fit my nose, but this seems to be an Asian brand, which well, I looked here, so hopefully it will support my the nose pieces will support my low bridge. And basically you fold the sunglasses like that. So let's try these on. Oh my gosh, I love these sunglasses. They're only like $75, and let's see if let's do the nose sliding. They fit so nicely and so secure on my nose. I really like it, guys. Wow. And it has little detailings right there on, it says Beneunder right there on the side. And then basically, and I love how there's like, I believe it has polarization as well to protect your eyes. Okay, so this is like a little piece to connect onto your sunglass case. And then of course, cleaner, which is also the shape of your little case. Look how compact and thin this is. This is so functional, and that's what I like about the saying on the company, that everything is functional. So they come in these really cute, independent like bags, and they open up like a Ziploc bag like that. I don't know what this is, so we're gonna find out. Good. And guys, remember, I'm not getting paid for this. These are my own opinions. I definitely will tell you what I think. Ooh, honest opinion. This is the tummy tucking butt lifting pants. And your girl needs that because I'm 15 pounds overweight. I just kind of have actually been a little depressed, to tell you the truth, with some things, but I'm working on it. So this has this little section right here, so I guess it gives you an illusion of butt lifting. They're actual functional pockets, which is cool. There is a drawstring and a drawstring in front. So the question is, how is it going to fit? Because I am a size medium. So I'm gonna try it on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am so impressed. I'm gonna have to do some close-up shots. Yes, it is so tummy sucking. Oh my goodness, it really sucks in the butt, as you can see. Oh, they're very comfortable. I'm just trying to move a lot for you guys, so to kind of, oh my gosh, guys, they are so comfortable and very sucking on the stomach, but not to the point where it makes you feel like very uncomfortable. It definitely covers above my belly button. My belly button's down here, and it definitely like lifts my bottom up. It feels very breathable, which they say this company is known for also having like breathable clothing, sun protection, so that's good. So let's try the next thing on. Okay, so I love hats, especially because I like to go hiking and I love to go surfing, and I think this hat is gonna be so good. Okay, so I got the gray, and it has like their little logo on the top right here, and it is reversible, so it's like a gray and then it's like a tan color. Typically I go for black hats, but I wanted to try like different colors because they have such pretty pastel colors and blacks and whites, and so I wanted to give it a shot. It also comes with a string, which is so nice because say it's very windy when we go hiking. It's very useful to have a string for sure, and it is a drawstring too, so yeah, like that, and then it just attaches in the center. And let's put it on to see how it looks. Oh my gosh. And of course we need to take out some of the kinks and stuff, but love it. I love it. I love it. And then you just attach these into the inside. They have little like holes in the inside. And so I'm telling you guys, when it's so windy, you guys know when it's so windy, you really have to like have the drawstring. And I really like that this is removable, because in a lot of like sun hats that I don't like buying is because you can't take off the string, and I don't really like tucking it in. So, oh my gosh, this feels so soft. So, like I said, they sent this to me and I'm reviewing it. I'm going to actually go buy some of my own, and then I'm gonna let you guys know really how I feel about the whole company when I order my own, how ordering is. Supposedly it's free return and free shipping too. So yeah, ooh, I like this color. It's kind of like safari-esque. Okay, the next thing is this. We don't know what it is yet. Ah, perfect. This is the shirt. I ordered a white shirt. It's supposed to be like a sports bra. It is going to be a sports bra type shirt, which I got in white because I always have everything in black. But now in retrospect, I'm thinking about it. White might not be so good in Maui because of the orange dirt, but I might have to order different colors because I have so many different colors. I like the V shape. And then my favorite thing is there is padding in the inside. I can't stand shirts without padding. And it's not removable, which is interesting, but actually it's like sewed in so good. Oh my gosh, guys. Have you seen my little bunnies? So cute, right? Okay, we're just gonna move her because she's so cute. Okay guys, so my biggest test was okay, so this is true to size because currently I am a medium. I am a 34C or D. I am currently a size 6, so that's a medium. But normally when I'm about 15 pounds lighter, I am a size small. However, this is so stretchy and it doesn't feel too tight. I like the details and the shape, like the details and designs of the straps. Everything's very, very well made. However, my concern was, can you see like the little little padding in the inside? And because it's white, and I actually think, what do you guys think? Can you see it a little bit? I don't really think you can see it a lot. Honestly, you can't see it a lot, but I feel like you can see it a little bit. So I'm curious as to see like if the other colors you can see the padding. So far from a distance, it doesn't look like you can see the padding. However, if I get a little bit closer, can you guys see the padding? I actually don't think so. A little bit, but that's okay. I actually really like the fit of this. Everything seems to be fitting really nicely, and I like where it falls to, just above like the spot where my pants is. It goes a little over. So the last thing comes in this Beneunder, and it is my jacket. It is a like windproof sun protection jacket. And basically when it gets windy, or sometimes like if it were to sprinkle, or just like to protect you from the elements, I always bring jackets to my hikes. You just never know when things will like change on you. And so yeah, so I got gray. Love this. This is like a slate. The material's very like stretchy and soft. You're gonna really like this jacket because it's very, very functional. This is one of their new seasonal pieces, and I don't know if I told you guys, but I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is Tabby15 for 15% off everything on their website. However, if you order 3 or more pieces, you can put Tabby20 and then you can get 20% off. Guys, it's no cost to you, and I don't get paid for it. All I am is just helping you guys with the coupon code. I actually probably will use my own coupon code. So it's kind of supposed to be like a little like oversized, which I like because it's not too tight. It's very lightweight, and let's see how it zips up. Very smooth zipper. Okay, so now for the functionality. Holes. I love to have holes in my shirts, my jackets, because if I ever have to like cover my hands, if there's like really sunny, the elements, and I'm out for several hours, I really like this. Okay, now for the next exciting thing. Okay, guys, it has this hoodie, and it's not just a regular hoodie, it's like a sun protection hoodie. Also, if it's super windy and cold and the elements, oh, I have my lipstick on, you can do this. Oh my gosh, like how protected am I from the sun? Okay, let me take it off because I have my lipstick on. And then you can also just tuck that little like visor thing away, and then you can have it like as a regular hoodie. But guys, this is a win. Okay, I'm so excited, okay, so overall guys, I just wanted to tell you guys my my first impressions of Beneunder. If I'm not pronouncing it right, Beneunder, I think it's Beneunder. First impressions, very impressed. I love the quality of it. I cannot tell you how the wear and tear of it's going to be, but I definitely will tell you guys that in the future. I am planning on ordering some in the end of, like when I get back to Maui in July, I think, because I need some more like sportswear, or unless Beneunder wants to send more. But I do want to order on my own as well, because I am quite impressed with this company. To be honest, more impressed with this company than a lot of companies I've worked with. And so before because they sent it to me, everything was smooth, but I want to see what it's like to actually order from them. So I am going to order from them, and then I'm going to wear these for a few months, and then I would actually like to do a review on it because I'm going to wear these a lot. I go outside all the time. I wish I could like take you outside right now, but the weather's just not horrible. It's been pretty horrible and really rainy, so we're just not going to do that. But I will definitely let you guys know like my review, long-term review. So far, I would rate Beneunder very, very good. The quality is great to protect your skin, to have like breathability. And I just think the quality is really good. I'm impressed with how fast the shipping was. They say it's pretty quick on their website. I like that there's no taxes for all around the world, so that's nice. And I just really like their website. So yeah, go ahead and check out their website. I'm going to leave all their information in the description box. I also will leave my coupon code, links to all these things. And then if you guys have ever ordered from them, let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear what you think. And I really like the like subtle, classy tones of this outdoor wear. It's not even masculine, it's also like quite feminine at the same time, which I like. It's kind of like a reflection of me. And then they also have some men's stuff and some little kid stuff as well. I'm just gonna let you browse through their website because like I said, everything is not like cheap, which I don't like. It's not expensive. I feel like it's at an affordable price for this quality, to be honest. So I hope they keep the prices the same like this. But again, thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and leave them down in the comment section. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.